Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a gaming keyboard by the brand right here. But this is the K10 gaming keyboard that is water resistant, multi-function, USB 2.0, not 3.0. And it has the multi-color option, which is the RGB mode to change the color of the keyboard itself. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. Let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys open the product itself, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so the product is nicely wrapped right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. As you can see, all of the actual buttons are sticking out, so as you can have a very nice anti-ghosting option so it doesn't stick together. They provide you guys a little feedback card and user manual right here. So on the user manual, they provide you guys all the instructions on how to change the light and all the different multi-key options on the actual keyboard itself. But that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So the cable that they use right here, like I mentioned, they do use a USB cable, but this is USB 2.0, not USB 3.0. And if you guys take a look at the actual cable that they use right here, is nylon braided. So that means actually it lasts longer and higher quality than your normal cables, which is pretty awesome as well. All the keyboard sticks out a little bit. You guys can see right there, so that way you can get a better gaming experience and everything when it's actually use it. You do get the option on here to kind of stick out the actual keyboard itself to have it stand up on both sides like that. And the keyboard itself is supposed to have a faster response, and the noise is not as loud as other gaming keyboards. The way how they make it, it's not saying that it's not loud, but you just hear it. It's still loud, but it's not as loud as usual gaming keyboards that are really loud. And they provide you guys this accessory right here. You guys can actually just put it in between the actual keyboard itself, like this. Just push it all the way in. If you guys need to replace each one of the little buttons, you definitely get the option on here, which is pretty cool. And if you guys look at the size of each one of the buttons, it's not like really big compared to usual gaming keyboards as well. These are medium size. The usual ones are like, I think, much longer and bigger, so it sticks out a lot more. This one doesn't stick out as much. This is more like a typical size, if you can see right here. But you can see this is basically all the buttons that's on here. You basically get every single button that you guys will need for like regular usage or for gaming usage and everything. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's go try it out and see how well it works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so if you guys want to change the light or turn off and on the LED light itself for the color, you just want to press the LED light. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then off. So those are different options that you guys have for that one. So if you guys want to increase the brightness, you want to press the FN and page up. Alright, so that's the max. If you guys want to bring it down, you guys do the opposite, FN and page down. And that brings it down. You guys can see it turns off the light. And that turns it back on. So if you guys want to use the 7-color backlit breathing option, you guys can either press FN and home. So that turns it on. Or if you guys want to use the other option to press FN and LED, that works as well. So those are the two options to turn on the 7-color backlit breathing. And if you guys want to increase the speed for this, you guys want to press FN and plus or FN and minus to increase or lower it. So that's the maximum in terms of the speed for the backlit breathing option. If you guys press the FN and the minus button, that will decrease the speed. Alright, so press it all the way down. So as you can see right now, it's much slower than what we did earlier, so that decreases the speed. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and works quite well. Everything is really easy to use in terms of using the buttons, the brightness, the different RGB colors and everything. Everything works really well. I love the way how when you guys actually use the keyboard itself, it does stick out because of the way how it's designed originally right here, before even using the extra tilting part right here to stand out more. And I love how the keyboard itself is not as loud as your normal keyboards that are really loud. This one's a little bit more quiet. It's not super quiet to the point where it's like completely silent, but it is a lot quieter than the other brands out there in the market today. Now that we took unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, they actually have a lot of different color options. This is the black one that we have right here, but they do have like pink and other colors as well. But basically everything that's on the product itself works really well. In terms of the buttons, the water resistant, the tilting option on the actual keyboard itself, the RGB light and everything on here is pretty amazing. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have used one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have